Installation of trimless version of 4-inch deprogressed, model LD4R. Remove the trim for installation. Reflector easy to remove if needed. Installation with the flanged plate. Mount the bars to the plate. Mount the plate to the joists. Position the plate. Secure on both sides. Connect the driver. For residential installations, use the Romex cable connectors pre-mounted on the driver box. Use the pre-mounted quick connectors. Mount the driver onto the track on the plate. Secure the cable in place. Cutting the hole for the flanged plate. Mounting the trim on the flanged plate. Fasten the trim to the drywall and the metal plate over it with drywall or self-tapping screws. Avoid hitting the driver. Flanged plate recommended for strength and safety. Wings should be flush with drywall. Trim should extend 1/8 inch. Apply drywall mud. Apply 2 to 3 coats. Lightly sand between coats. Paint when dry. Clean paint and drywall compound from trim. Connect the fixture to the driver. Mount the fixture and twist clockwise to lock in place. To remove, push up and twist counterclockwise. Deprogressed fixture produces no glare compared to other models. Comparing black, white, and silver trim with 3000 Kelvin light.